Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax returns for dividend income. We'll cover the essentials to help you navigate this process smoothly. Dividend income represents a portion of a company's earnings distributed to its shareholders. Understanding how this income is taxed is crucial for accurate financial planning and ensuring you meet your tax obligations. Let's dive into the specifics of what you need to know. Dividend income is categorized into two main types, ordinary and qualified. Ordinary dividends are taxed at your standard income tax rates, just like your wages. However, qualified dividends can be taxed at lower, more favorable long-term capital gains rates, which can be a significant advantage. To be considered qualified, specific holding period rules must be met, typically over 60 days within a 121-day period around the ex-dividend date. Knowing the difference is key to optimizing your tax situation. When it comes to reporting your dividend income, Form 1090-90IV is your essential document. Your brokerage firm or mutual fund will send you this form, detailing all the dividends you received throughout the year. It clearly separates ordinary dividends from qualified dividends. You'll typically report your ordinary dividends on Schedule B, interest, and ordinary dividends, which then flows to your main tax return. Make sure to accurately transfer the information from your Form 1090-90IV to avoid errors. To ensure a smooth tax filing experience for your dividend income, here are some important tips. Always maintain meticulous records of all your investment statements and any Forms 1090-90IV you receive. This helps verify the information and prevents issues. If your tax situation is complex, or if you're unsure, consider utilizing reputable tax software or consulting with a qualified tax professional. Double-check all entries from your Form 1090-90IV onto your tax return to ensure accuracy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.